Hi everybody, my name is Lee Arnold, the broker of Benchmark Properties. I want to welcome you today to 40344 Balboa Drive in beautiful Temecula, California. This home's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath with a guest casita at 2443 square feet. Come on in and take a look at this beautiful home. The Harveston community was developed in 2003. Residents can enjoy the public 17-acre lake park, which has a waterside gazebo, an outdoor amphitheater, a mile-long lakefront trail, and playground. The public sports park provides 4 lighted sports fields, picnic area, playground, and walkways. The Lake House private facility has been designed for the exclusive use of the Harveston residents and their guests, featuring a pool, spa, splash park, and pavilion. The community is also just a short drive away from the famous Temecula Valley wineries and breweries. Thanks again for joining us today. If you have any questions about this home or any of our other listings, visit us online at benchmarksocal.com or give us a call at 760-849-4401.